gonna turn this TV off for a second.
Come sit over here. Come sit with your sister real quick.
Are you got a present
Go
in
sit
there?
with your sister.
Are you got a present in there?
Here, sit down. Sit down.
Yes, Mom.
You're welcome. So you won't be cold. Daddy and I are so proud of you guys for being so sweet and giving to other people, so we thought we'd let you guys open a present early.
Are we
Okay.
opening this?
Huh?
Are we opening
Are
it?
those like the boys, or can they choose?
No, this one for everybody. Like, here's one for Wyatt. Wait, don't open it yet. Here's one for Garrett.
Yes.
And here's one for Sissy.
Are we opening it?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Mom, you can't give me this thing. That's too loud.
What?
Wow! Oh, man. Mom.
What? What's wrong?
We don't like all these.
What do you mean you don't like? What's wrong with them?
Mm,
It's a perfectly good gift.
we don't like these.
Well, it's a sweet potato. I mean, that's good for you to eat.
This is for yucky
What's
stuff.
this? That's a Tupperware lid. You never know when you're going to need that.
Oh, I don't like this thing. I read it.
Are you just doing?
Well, you've got a sponge, so you can wash dishes if you want to.
Are you
Yay,
doing like?
I love it.
Are you doing like jokes on us, or do we really get to?
I want it. Yeah.
No, that's the present you get to open.
Oh,